I've seen men in your situation, Troy. No, those are both for me.
You were on top of the world before, and now no one gives a rat's ass.
I can help you with your image. First, I lose the jacket. You look like a high school bitch. But more importantly, it's your sneeze. When I was a CEO, I had an array of masculine sneezes that asserted dominance. You know, like the explosive shock the room into silence sneeze, the fails, or the draw them in sneeze, you know. Then maybe I wouldn't sneeze, because I'm in control. You could even use a sneeze to drive home a point. Like, I think the Cubs are going to win all this year. Come on! What do you think?
Tell me more.